In this video, we're going to assemble the Haunted House box card. Okay, it has 3 pieces. This one with the spikes on the top and the 2 tabs that are the same size on the sides. This is your insert. This one here is your back, and this shorter one is the front. Okay, so let's just take a look. So this front piece just has 2 score lines like this. This one has 2 score lines here like this. And okay, I have to make sure I've got them going the right way. So you just want to look here at your insert, make sure that your backing is going the right way. Okay, so you want your sides and your tabs on your front piece to go to your right, and then I'm going to attach this piece here just like this. Okay, so I'm going to do that first. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to just open this up and I'm going to go ahead and put my moon on. Now I've inked the edges of my moon with a light brown and a yellow to kind of make it more moonish. The yellow I was hoping would make it look a little bit like it's kind of glowing, like how you see the moon glow at night. I'm not sure if I accomplished that or not, but and then we've got 2 bats to add, and I am just going to kind of fold their wings up a little. I'm just going to put glue here in the center of their body just to make them appear to have a little more dimension. And I think I will even use a small foam dot on my bat, on this bat. Fold his wings up a little bit, maybe up and back. There we are. Okay. There. I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to add this piece. This piece here is for you to be able to write on the back of your card. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on. So this card has a lot of space for writing a message. Okay, so I'm going to flip that back over. I'm going to fold this down a little bit. Maybe I'll just open it like this. And I'm going to pull my pieces in here. Now your roof line, it is slit, so if you want to kind of curve your little pieces of your roof up a little bit, give it a little more dimension, make it look more tattered. You can. You don't have to. You can just glue those down flat if you want. And you just glue this right in place. And then your door. Okay. Now there are backings to your ghost if you want to use them. If these pieces are black, you don't really need to. So what I'm going to do is, now I want my ghost peeking through the windows. So I'm going to, maybe I'll just put a few pieces of glue here so I can get them where I want them to be. I want them kind of peeking through. Now you can put your ghost on top. He doesn't have to be, they don't have to be inside the house. I'm putting all of mine inside, peeking out of a window. And there is a slight border all the way around this piece. So you just kind of want to eyeball it. Don't take it over your score line here. And then your roof. Side to side, the top corner of your roof lines up with the edge of the card. And then it kind of hangs over there on the sides. So if you just kind of take and make a straight line down and then put your glue in, because those edges are hanging over. Okay, and again, it's, you just put your two corners in place, then the rest of it will just fall right into place. Okay, so that's the front of your card. Now let's set that aside and we'll work on our insert. So I'm going to do the same thing with these ghosts. I'm going to have them in the windows. So again, I'm just going to put a little bit of glue just on those corners, the cross sections there, and decide where I want my ghost peeking through, just like that. And then when I glue it down, I'll put glue behind him so he stays put. This little guy I'm going to do like that. And just like on the other one, I'm going to fold my thing here on the creases. Just like on the other one, there is a slight border all the way around. So you're just going to kind of center it right in there, okay? And there we are. All right, so I did not use the backings to my ghosts, but they are in the file for you to use if you would like to. I did the same thing with these roof pieces. I curled just the inner one. I didn't curl the bottom one, just so that I can glue that down. But these do kind of stick up a little. And I did that with both of these roof pieces. Okay. So now with that done, we're going to take our insert. I'm going to leave my tabs out flat. I'm going to take this in here and I'm going to lay this right up against the back. See, I'm laying it right up against the back with my tab out flat. Then I'm going to fold this over. I'm going to glue this right here to the side. Okay. And I am going to stand it up so I can make sure that I get it in here straight. There we are. Now the reason that I cut the back of my card in this cream color is because it's the back of the moon. So now I'm going to fold this side over. I'm going to put glue right here on this tab, and with this side flush against the table, I'm going to bring this side over and I'm going to glue my tab right into place. Okay, so I'm going to add glue here. I'm laying this side flat on my table and bringing this over and gluing it to the other side. There we are. Okay, now I'm going to apply glue to this tab. I'm going to lay this down, bring this side over, and glue this in place. And there is the Haunted House box card. Thank you for joining me.